Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we are going to dive into a very important concept in the world of data analysis, metrics and KPIs. These two terms are fundamental when it comes to measuring performance and making informed decisions. In today's session, we will focus on introduction to metric and KPI, importance of metric and KPI, when to use metric and KPI, and finally end with looking at few examples of metric and KPI. Let's begin with the introduction to metric and KPI. A metric is a quantifiable measure used to track and assess the performance of a specific process or activity. Simply put together, metrics are the data points that we track regularly to keep an eye on how things are going. On the other hand, a key performance indicator, in short KPI, is a measurable value that shows how effectively an individual, team, or organization is achieving its key objectives. In simpler terms, KPIs are likely a scoreboard. They help you understand whether you're reaching your goals or not. A KPI tells you whether you're heading in the right direction towards your long term objectives or not. Now, let's move on to the importance of metric and KPI. The importance of a metric lies in its ability to help you understand and analyze the routine operations. By regularly tracking metrics, we can gain insights into what's working and what needs to be improved. On the other hand, a key performance indicator, KPI, is crucial for measuring progress towards strategic goals and for driving decision making. KPIs help you focus on the big picture. They help you determine whether you are on the track to achieve your organization's key objectives or not. KPIs provide actionable insights that drive strategy, adjustments, and decisions at a higher level. Now, let's discuss when to use metric and when to use KPI. We could use a metric when you want to monitor ongoing activities or process. Metrics are helpful for tracking trends over time. On the other hand, we should use key performance indicators when we need to measure progress towards specific strategic goals. KPIs are more focused than metrics and are used to track performance against defined targets. Finally, let's look at some examples of metric and KPI. An example of a metric would be monthly website traffic. This is a metric because it tracks a specific activity over time. In this case, how many visitors are coming to our website every month can be tracked. Another example of a metric could be total monthly sales revenue, which tracks the total earnings from sales each month. And an example of a KPI would be increasing customer retention by 25%. This is a KPI because it tracks progress towards a specific goal, that is, improving the percentage of customers who return to make purchases. Another example of a KPI could be reducing average resolution time to under 2 hours in a customer service department. This KPI helps track performance towards improving efficiency in resolving customer issues. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.